Hi guys, so today I'm actually going to show you how to quickly wash your makeup brushes. This method definitely gets them the cleanest. Sorry it might not be in super HD because the bathroom was so dark, but I hope you guys get the method otherwise. So the soap I like to use is the Dettol soap. It is literally the best one I have found so far. I've tried so many different bars of soaps, but this one cleans them immaculately, very quickly as well. And on top of that, you're basically, disinfecting all your brushes, especially if you're a makeup artist. It's just so much better. I have cleaned my brushes with the soap so much, but my brushes haven't been affected at all. They work exactly the same. They're just as soft. They don't shed. So it's genuinely worth it. This one is a sensitive soap, so I would suggest you buy this exact one. First I wet my brush, and then I literally just brush it on the bar of soap. And then you rinse it all off. For the sponge, it's the same thing, you wet the sponge. And just like that, all the brushes are clean. And honestly, I think this soap is literally the best one and the easiest method you'd find.